If Krita is crashing on startup, crashing the second your pen touches the canvas, or crashing because of memory limits, this video is going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These issues are usually caused by corrupted workspace files, graphics driver mismatches, tablet API conflicts, or simply running out of system resources. The good news is that you can usually fix them without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, let's handle the instant startup crash. If Krita opens and immediately closes or freezes before the interface even loads, the most common cause is a broken preference file, a corrupted workspace configuration, or a background process that is locking the app's settings. To fix this, close Krita completely and make sure it is not still running in the background. On Windows, start Krita and immediately hold Shift, Alt, and the Control at the same time. On macOS, hold Shift, Option, and Command immediately after clicking the Krita icon. Keep those keys pressed until a reset prompt appears. When Krita asks whether you want to wipe the broken settings, choose Yes. This forces Krita to rebuild its preferences and can fix a lot of startup crashes caused by damaged configuration files. If that does not solve the issue, the next step is to manually rebuild the config text. On Windows, open File Explorer and go to %localappdata, %\krita\. On Linux, go to ~config/.krita/. Inside that folder, find a file named kritark. Rename it to kritark_old. This tells Krita to generate a fresh default configuration the next time it launches. After that, open Krita again and test whether the crash is gone. Now let's fix the crash that happens the moment your pen touches the canvas. This one is often related to graphics card driver timeouts or tablet driver API mismatches. If Krita opens normally but crashes as soon as you draw, the rendering engine or tablet input mode is usually the problem. Start by changing the graphics engine. In Krita, go to Settings, then Configure Krita, then Display. Look for the preferred renderer setting. On Windows, switch it from OpenGL to Direct 3D via Angle if that option is available. If your system is unstable with hardware acceleration, try turning off canvas acceleration altogether. Apply the change and restart Krita to test again. If the crash still happens, go back into the settings and check the tablet input API. Navigate to Settings, then Configure Krita, then Tablet Settings. There, switch between WinTab and Windows Ink. Some tablets work far better with one than the other, and the wrong selection can cause instant crashes or broken pen input. After changing it, click OK and restart your computer so the driver stack can reload properly. Next, let's deal with crashes caused by memory resource limits. This is very common when working with huge canvases, lots of layers, heavy brush textures, or a system that does not have enough available RAM. If Krita crashes when opening large files or painting on complex projects, performance settings are probably the key. Open Settings, then Configure Krita, then Performance. Find the system memory limit and increase it carefully to around 75% or 80% of your total physical RAM. For example, if you have 16 GB of RAM, you can give Krita a larger share, but avoid setting it too aggressively if your system needs memory for other apps. After adjusting the cap, click OK and restart Krita. If the project itself is too large, the next fix is to scale the canvas size down. Go to Image, then scale image to new size. Reduce extremely high resolutions or simplify very heavy documents if the app starts lagging or crashing under pressure. Sometimes the issue is not Krita itself, but simply that the current file is too demanding for your available hardware. You should also clear out temporary files. On Windows, press Windows +R, type %temp%, and delete old temporary workspace files that are no longer needed. You can also run the system disk cleanup tool to remove leftover junk that may be interfering with performance. This is a simple step, but it can help clear out hidden clutter that contributes to instability. So to recap, if Krita crashes on startup, reset your preferences and rebuild the Kritark config. If it crashes when the pen touches the canvas, switch the renderer or toggle the tablet API. If it crashes from memory pressure, raise the memory cap, reduce the canvas size, and clear temporary files. If this video helped you fix your Krita crash error, please hit like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.